Hey my dear friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change blogger font size color. So after watching this video you're able to do this work perfectly. So without any time wastage I'm going on my blogger website. Then you can see here the 4 posts I already published on this website. So I click on, then scroll down, then I need to select some text. So I select this line, then just click on this icon, text color, just select here, then select your color, favorite color. So I select this one. This look like much better. Oh, this is really good. Then if I click on update, it's permanently saved on my website. So this is method you can change blogger font size easily. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.